If you guys watched yesterday's video and you're like, wait a minute, he's wearing the same outfit. You're right, it's because I shoot all these videos on the same day a lot of times. Yo, happy Wednesday, you guys. Let's get warmed up with 3 to 4 minutes of our monostructural movement. We could row, assault bike, easy jog. We could do air squats, plank with single unders. Just move your body for 4 minutes-ish, 3 to 5. Then we're gonna roll out with a foam roller or a lacrosse ball. Let's treat some sore parts. I'm sure we're a little bit stiff from yesterday. Maybe the glutes, maybe the hamstrings, maybe the low back, maybe the quads. Let's roll out. After the warm-up, or that part of the warm-up today, we're gonna advance to an additional group warm-up. We're gonna do it 3 times through. We're gonna start out with 5 single arm dumbbell press per side. So 1 dumbbell or kettlebell, come all the way up. We wanna make sure that from the side here, our arm is covering our ear. We're not pushing up front. We wanna go straight up. 5 reps per side. After that, we're gonna go to 5 side plank rotations. Side plank rotation, we're on our forearm. We come up to a side plank, open, come down and touch that elbow. That's 1, 2, we're gonna do 5 per side. Next, we're gonna 20 walking lunges, making sure we're keeping our legs at a 90-degree angle, driving through that front leg, knee is stacked over the heel, 20 steps total. Finally, a 30-second plank. After we go 3 rounds through that team warm-up, we're gonna jump into today's Metcon, or metabolic conditioning. Today is designed as a triplet, which means there are 3 movements, triplet. We're gonna do calories, which could be the rower or the assault bike, your choice. And then we're also gonna do sumo deadlifts and bar-facing burpees. I wanna first talk about the movements. Calories, like I said, will be on the rower or the assault bike. That's pretty easy. The next movement is a sumo deadlift. The sumo deadlift today can be completed with a barbell or with a kettlebell. For first time or earlier lifters, I like the kettlebell. I think it's a little easier to control and be in a good position. For the sumo deadlift, we're gonna make our legs nice and wide, wider than our shoulders. Gaze your toes out. So if you're looking down at your feet, instead of being straight ahead, they're gonna tilt out to 11 and 1 o'clock. You want the kettlebell in alignment with your mid-foot. From here, we're gonna basically try to sit up and squat, letting our chest come down a little bit. So it's kind of a squat deadlift hybrid. When you come down, think about trying to turn your knees out and bringing your heels in. So it's just like you're screwing your feet into the ground, creating some tension in your legs. Once we're here, we drive through the legs, no arm bend at any point. Okay, we're gonna feel this most in our hamstrings and in our glutes, which are your butt cheeks. Driving up under control each time. This is a sumo deadlift. The next and final movement is the bar facing burpee, which is a burpee where we face the bar, or if you use the kettlebell, you do kettlebell facing burpees. To do this, we need to be perpendicular to the bar, which if you remember geometry means like a T. So if this is our bar, we're gonna be facing this direction. So my kettlebell's here, I'm gonna come down facing it, I'm gonna get back up, I'm gonna jump with 2 feet and land with 2 feet. That's 1 rep. Turn around, facing the kettlebell, I'll lie down, come back up, jump back over. That's 2 reps. So those are the 3 movements: calories, sumo deadlift, burpees. Let's talk about the reps. The reps are gonna be 1 time through as fast as possible while moving safely. Quality is always a priority. We're gonna go calories, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. So it's lowering by 4 each round. Deadlifts and burpees, we're gonna do 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, meaning it's lowering by 2 per round. So what this workout will look like, I'm gonna say it to you out loud, will be 20 calories, 10 deadlifts, 10 burpees. 16 calories, 8 deadlift, 8 burpees. 12 calories, 6 deadlift, 6 burpees. 8, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2. Some things to remember. The deadlift and the burpees are always the same, and they are always half the calories you just did. If you can't remember this, you can write it out on your board, a whiteboard in front of you, slash out the numbers as you hit them. So you'll go 20, 10, 10, 16, 8, 8, 12, 6, 6, 8, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2. 1 time through, 4 time. Be safe, be smart, choose a sumo deadlift weight that's gonna challenge you but remain safe throughout the workout. For most of us, this should probably be around somewhere in the vicinity of 65% of our deadlift. Have a great time today, you guys. I hope your Wednesday is kick ass. See you back here tomorrow for a Thursday active recovery day. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay human.